If you've never actually ridden a Segway, you at least know what one is. The company is synonymous with kind of quirky electric modes of transport, and their latest product is the Drift W1 e-skates. Now, companies have done e-skates in the past. There are e-skates that you can buy, but there's probably a reason you don't see them day to day, which is they look incredibly dangerous. So naturally, I was quite apprehensive coming down here to Segway's booth at IFA 2018 because you never want to look stupid on camera and or hurt yourself in the process.
Have you ever done anything like this before?
Yeah. Not like, yeah, I mean, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It really isn't as hard as it looks, even though obviously some people take to it a little bit quicker than others. The Segway reps in the demo area actually describe it very well, which is just think about it. They don't even go through the kind of technical process of actually you're using your body weight to move. They just say, think about moving forward, look ahead, don't look down. And within a couple of minutes, I was riding around pretty naturally. And how fast am I going now? Like 1, basically, right?
Yeah, maybe not even.
Obviously, it's best to start off slow, and the little ring you have here doesn't really let you go super fast, but you can get a really good amount of pace once you get comfortable. Yeah. Turning is a little bit of an issue, but of course, I've only been on them for 15-20 minutes, so I'd need to probably get a little bit better to race around. Still, I managed to go backwards, even managed to do a little bit of one-footing, spinning around like a ballerina. Hey. Yeah, I'm pretty sick of this. I reckon give me like half an hour and I'll be good enough to be in a commercial. Obviously, this is kind of lab perfect condition, so when you're riding on a sidewalk pavement, whether it will be as easy is another matter, but at least in a flat, nice environment, it's a lot of fun. There's a really wide wheel which helps with stability. Even though it might seem counterintuitive not to have a strap, you can easily step off if things go awry. Oh. Whoa. And you can cover quite a lot of ground if you're going at a decent pace, because there's actually 45 minutes of runtime in these things per charge. Where Segway's other products feel more like legitimate city mobility options, these feel more like the kind of thing that you can take around the block a couple of times and just have some fun with if you've got $400 burning a hole in your pocket. Segway's e-skates will be available any day now, so it's probably only a matter of time before swarms of tourists descend on your city riding these things. We've had a lot of fun here checking these out, and luckily I didn't embarrass myself by falling on my arse. But for all the other news from IFA 2018, make sure you keep it locked on Engadget.com.